Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and I got the Bauer titanium reduced neck, whatever, blah blah blah. We got this to cut our, install our flooring that we're doing in the apartment. So this is what it looks like from the front right here. This is everything it cuts through, the size. This is everything it says in the back. It's supposed to be universal. So let's get this thing cut open. This is, I think, my first time trying this brand, so we'll see how good it is, because if you saw my other review before, I did the Craftsman, and it lasted for about, 2 rooms, the Craftsman, before it burned out. We got like 2 rooms out of it before it burned out. So let's see how this competes against the Craftsman that we did have. 3 times faster and stronger. Okay, so we're going to cut this out real quick, and then she's going to install it while I cut outside. Let me just cut it open so you guys can see it out of the box. So this is kind of what I got as the Craftsman one, so you can see. I know they're not the same exact size difference, but you can at least see, like, this is Craftsman, this is the Bauer, and they're both were the high carbon steel or whatever they call it. So this is, yeah, that's it. So we're going to try it out. That's what it looks like. The teeth are really close together. And yeah, so she's going to install that, and then we'll be right back, and we'll do a little test review on it cutting through the, this is laminate plank flooring, not the vinyl. We don't, we already cut all the vinyl, so all we have is the laminate to try to cut. So all you're going to see us is test that out. All right, so we'll see you guys right back. All right, bye-bye. Alright guys, so we are back. We're going to do a little test review of it cutting through this laminate flooring. How thick is that? About 1/4 of an inch thick? It's pretty thick, right? That? Yeah, that's like what? Maybe almost half. 3/8, right? It's bigger than 1/4. Yeah, it's pretty big. It's less than half, but maybe bigger than 1/4. It's thick. That we're cutting through. I already did the lines this way with the circular saw to make it quicker and easier, because we're on a time schedule. So I'm just going to get down there, cut this so we can get this installed, and you guys are going to see how it does cut through, and you can compare it to my Craftsman video that I did before, but I think I used that on the laminate, not this, so, but whatever, it still cut through shit. Alright, let's get this thing cut. Alright, so, don't blame just the blade. It could be because my Dremel was smoking yesterday, so I don't know if it's 100% of what it's supposed to be doing, so I can't really tell you. But this is kind of how long it looks and everything like that. But it did cut through. It did go through pretty easy once I got like a good grip, just like with a Sawzall. The same thing if you ever use a Sawzall. Until you get into the right position, it doesn't start cutting. Otherwise, the product just moves with the blade, and then nothing cuts, and you're just sitting there for 5 minutes watching nothing happen. So this is kind of the same thing. If this starts to move with the blade, there's nothing cutting. This can be the only thing moving. So I don't know what was going on there, like I said, but it still is a little review for you to see how I did cut that and see how thick it was. If I do any other reviews of cutting anything else besides just this, I'll pop up another video for a couple of seconds and I'll just add to it. If not, that is it for the small review that you guys can see about the Bauer that I did get. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right? Thank you, everybody, for watching. Bye-bye.